guys, the new holiday 2022, the Black Friday deals. All those deals are already out, at least a sneak peek. We got some pictures. Big shout out to my man Warmonger. I'll see if I can leave his link to his Instagram down below in the description section of this video. Big credits to him for posting these videos or these pictures. Yes, guys, the new holiday promos are here, or at least in one store. But you know, we can get a sneak peek of what we want to get. I do apologize for the quality. This is the best quality that we have. All right, guys. So we got, it looks like here's the first picture. And guys, before we get started, don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make better review videos. That's the way YouTubers are platform, by subscribing to likes. So help this channel by doing so. All right, so we got your choice here, $99. These are socket sets. First one's looks like impact sockets, shockwave impact duty, 43 piece. The next one down looks like a chrome set, 56 piece, 3/8 drive. The one to the right is 18 piece shockwave impact duty, half an inch SAE, and says 6 point. All right. The next picture that we have Ridgid. So it looks like they are doing the buy one get one free too, as you guys do see here. So you got $3.99. You got a 4-tool combo kit. I can't see exactly what this is. It looks like brushless 4-tool combo kit. It says reciprocating saw. It looks like a reciprocating saw, a multi-tool, impact driver, and hammer drill. The next one down, and this one you get 2 free tools. The next one down is the starter kit. Looks like 2 4s, 169. The next one down is the impact wrench for 269. It looks like the kit. You get 1 free tool with that. All right, the first tool that you can get for free is some of the tools you can get for free. There's the reciprocating saw. You got the router, one of the batteries, circular saw, looks like a flashlight, I can't see, angle grinder, and multi-tool and a jigsaw. So it's pretty decent deals for Ridgid. All right, Milwaukee, guys, we got some Milwaukee ones. This is the new. It says red lithium, 25% more power. It says buy one of these, get one of these for free. So you buy any of the ones on the left, you get a free battery. Looks like a high output. Is that a high output battery? Yes, guys. So don't buy the high output battery. You guys are gonna get that and be able to hack that for free with the hack. That's crazy. All right, so we got $249. It looks like you're gonna get a ratchet. The new impact driver looks like it. 2 batteries, charger, in a bag. For $199, you're gonna get an impact driver, drill driver, and big battery, small battery, charger in a bag. And then for $179, you're gonna get the one-handed reciprocating saw with the battery, charger in a bag. And then you're gonna get for free with that the brand new battery, the brand new high output battery. So guys, don't buy any of those batteries. Wait until those these holiday deals drop, and then you guys can hack them and get yourself a nice discount deal. This one, I believe they are the high output batteries. If you guys look at it, it's $149. You got an impact driver here for $99, and then you got a 25 piece. Looks like I can't see if it's a 25 or 35 piece for $19.88. So yeah, 75 piece. It's down here. So 75 piece for $19.88. All right, the next one down. Yes, guys, we got the Milwaukee finally. They're getting earlier every year, and this is basically a leaked at this store, leak. All right, so we got to buy this kit, get 2 free tools. It looks like you get a hammer drill, a hammer drill, impact driver, oscillating tool, a light. I can't see exactly what that is. Looks like the new gen. I think they are the new gen, because or these are the new gen. One of these two are the new gen. I can't see exactly what those are. It looks like this one you get, like I said, 4 tools plus you get 5 for $5.99 plus you get 2. On this one you get 2 tools and you get for $3.99 you get 1 free tool. And then this one we got the old standard hack or battery deal combo deal that they starter kit that they have, like we see every year. So this one's $1.99. All right, the first one's the angle grinder. The next one down is the, I believe that's the Surge. You got the brand new inflator, guys. Brand new inflator. That's a killer deal there. I'm gonna get that one. Hopefully I can get that one. You got a battery. I can't see exactly what the battery capacity is. You got a Xander one-handed reciprocating saw. You got the what is that? The router. Is that the dual port? Yeah, that's the dual port charger. You got a rover light. You got that's a jigsaw, a blower, and an oscillating tool. And guys, here's to the right. We got some more. We got $2.99. You buy a it looks like maybe a 6 and 2 5s. So for $2.99 you get that, and then $2.99 you get a circular saw, and then you get a pack out vacuum for $1.79, and then you can get 2 filters for $1.88. So those are the Milwaukee deals. Some good ones, guys. Definitely some good ones. All right, we got the Dewalt, guys. Dewalt. We got, looks like a, I can't see, it's like a 4-tool combo kit, maybe for $5.99. You got a maybe like a, what is that? Atomic. It looks like 100 reciprocating saw, impact driver, oscillating tool, 2 batteries and a charger. Impact driver, drill driver for $3.99. And you got a starter kit there, maybe 2 4s or a 4 and a 6, depending on what they have here. But the first one does come with 2 free tools. The other 2 come with 1. Looks like you can get the sander, a battery. Looks like a flexible battery. You can get it looks like an impact wrench or an impact driver, a circular saw, and then a reciprocating saw, a blower. And I can't see these. These are just, it looks like a bandsaw. Atomic bandsaw. I see an A right there. You got jigsaw, a cutoff tool, angle grinder, and a rotary hammer. It looks like the atomic rotary hammer. I can see the air right there. All right, we got $2.49. You got the brand new impact driver, the smaller one, the compact impact driver, and a drill driver for $2.49. You got 2 batteries here for $1.49, or you got 2 smaller batteries for $99, and one looks like 1 4 for $89. So those are the Dewalt deals. All right, we got this is $2.59. You got rear handle circular saw, and then you got 2 batteries. This 2 batteries for free. So this is the same thing we saw last year. So nothing new on this one, but still it's a solid, great deal. Make sure you guys get it if you guys need it. And that's it, guys. Definitely check it out, guys. Some crazy deals. I'll leave you guys the link to, I'll see if I can leave you guys the link to his Instagram so you guys can go check it out. You know, go check out these pictures in higher definition. Hopefully you guys could see them a little bit more clear. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make better review videos. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.